Hello and welcome to the NextWork community. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour so you know exactly where to go for events, questions, celebrations, and how to find people in your city. Even if you're new to Discord, don't worry. I'll walk you through the key channels step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to find exactly what you need in just a few clicks. As you open Discord, you will see that all the channels are on the left side of your screen. The channels with a hash are text channels, and the channels with a speech bubble are forums where you can post, where you can create a post and people can send messages and follow up. So if you have a question that you need to ask, whether you're stuck on a project or don't know what project to do next, just come in to Ask Anything. This is the best place to ask a question. You'll see post guidelines on what you can do and how to best ask a question so that you get the support that you need. And you can also go through this to see if anybody else has made a post and has a similar question. You can always send a message over here and follow up with the person. The great thing about asking a question in this forum is that you can see whether it's in progress or it has been answered. If somebody has, multiple people can comment over a span of a few days and your post and your question will never get lost. So that's a great place to ask questions. Now, if you've completed a project or gotten a new job or you have something exciting to share with us, tell us. Put it in the celebrations. Create a post and tell us all about what you're up to. Now, you'll notice that you can see an overview of all the posts that has been created, but if you want to see a full view, you can always click on that option where you will see the full post and you can read it better in a more convenient way. Now, we have text channels like general chit chat where you can come in and say hi, see what the conversation is about, what is everyone up to, where is everyone at in their projects, and you can even just start a conversation about random things in here. In the welcome channel, you'll see all the folks who have just joined. Feel free to say hi and connect with them. If you see somebody with a really cool name, just click and say, wave and say hi. And it's just a conversation starter, and a great way to feel comfortable. You are part of the community and you can welcome anybody who joins in. We also have another post channel, a forum, where you'll see all the tech news. These are posts created by our own community members, and you can create one too. If you see something that needs to be shared, add it here. Check it out and ask questions. Great way to connect with people in the community as well. We also have a text channel. Now, this is a read-only text channel, but you'll get to see all the people, all the projects that are completed all over the world. And it's really cool to see how global NextWork and our community is. Speaking of global communities, if you want to find out if there's anybody in your city, or if you want to start a city group and take ownership, be a group leader, and make sure that NextWork is useful not just to you, but to others in your city, you could start a channel. Maybe there's already a city group that's there and you just need to connect with them. Maybe you're in Manila and you can take a look and see all the folks in Manila. You'll also see who the leaders are, and Nico happens to be the leader in Manila, so you could always connect. Just say hi, and if you don't know who to reach out to, I'll be there to help you navigate and find the people you need to find. If you've got feedback on bugs, or you have a project request, you've been loving NextWork, but you don't find a project that you're looking for, tell us. We go through this, we check it, and we even mark them as done when we've released a project in that requested topic. Same thing for feature ideas. If you have an idea for the NextWork app, a feature idea that you'd really like to see, come in, tell us all about it. And just like the project feature request channel, the project request channel, you will also see that we mark them as done as and when we complete it. So please make this space yours. You are most welcome to tell us everything that you want to see. You'll also notice that we run events. So if you click on the events channel, you'll see all the things that are happening. Oh, look at that. There is a Connect with Community session run by me in 48 minutes. So wherever you are, if you're free, just check out the event schedule. You will know what events are happening. Sometimes it's run by me, sometimes it's by our team members, and sometimes it's by one of you. So check in to these events. You'll also get a chance to see what the event schedule looks like in the announcements. Here we'll release new projects, we'll tell you all about new features. It's a great place to keep an eye out for what we are up to. And the last thing, if you haven't already seen it, this is a good place to start. If you're looking for project suggestions or you are new to the community, I'll be putting something in here to help you navigate further. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, you can always tag me in any of your posts and I will definitely look out for them. Thank you so much for watching.